Welcome to your dream vacation rental or extended stay retreat, just minutes from Walt Disney World. I'm 𝐬𝐻𝐻, your local real estate expert, and I'm excited to introduce you to 8,491 Oasis Key Cove, located in the beautiful Emerald Island Resort in Kissimmee, Florida. This fully furnished, two-story home boasts 7 spacious bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and nearly 3,000 square feet of comfortable living space, making it ideal for large families, corporate retreats, or vacation rentals. Step inside to discover a beautifully designed open-concept kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space, and a breakfast bar that seamlessly flows into the formal dining area, perfect for entertaining. Each bedroom is tastefully decorated and thoughtfully designed for relaxation. The spacious primary suite offers a luxurious ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet, while the home's layout provides a great balance of privacy and shared spaces for all guests to enjoy. Outside, your private backyard oasis awaits. Enjoy a gas-heated pool and spa, perfect for cooling off after a day at the parks. Whether you're sunbathing, sipping evening cocktails, or hosting a family barbecue, this space offers the perfect setting. As a resident or guest in the 24-hour guard-gated Emerald Island Resort, you'll also have access to an array of premium amenities including 2 resort-style pools, a sauna and jacuzzi, a fitness center, playground, mini-golf, tennis, pickleball and volleyball courts, as well as scenic walking trails through 11 acres of lush Florida landscape. This amazing property is available for rent at $39.99 a month, with flexible short-term options available. Best of all, the rent includes internet, cable, lawn care, and trash removal. Ready to schedule your private tour or learn more? Call me today.